Hello everyone. Today let us know about the project Agribus, which indicates intelligent agriculture. This helps the farmers to sell their agricultural produce online and suggests be in practice farming processes, helping them to not restrict themselves to the local market. Agribus provides a concept of virtual agricultural trade to its users. In the home page, we can see customer module from which a customer can register and log in. Farmer module where the farmers can register and log in, and the worker module where farm workers can log in. In blogs, we can find various blogs related to agriculture which helps for the improvements of the agriculture. On clicking on read more, we can see the blogs in detail. In news, all the news related to the agriculture are posted here. This helps people to know more about the schemes available under agriculture. Farmer's Kit. Here, all the things required for agriculture are available for sale, such as fertilizers, fodders, machinery and equipments, manures, seeds, etc. Farmers Market. Here, all the products that is being produced by farmers are posted for selling. Customers must select the products they wish to purchase. Customers can check by selecting the country and state and city from where they want to buy the products if available. They can see the product details. Only by logging into the portal, one can purchase the products. In Hire, we can find various laborers who have registered on the portal to search jobs under farming sector. We can see the laborers of various locations by searching particular places. From my account, viewers can register and log in as customer or as farmer or as worker. Contact panel contains the contact information of the portal. Viewers can also send message to admin, which will be sent as email. In staff login, admin can log in by entering login ID and password. As admin logs in, dashboard is available. Here the admin can view all the available records. In my account under report, customer report, admin can view the customers who have registered to the portal. Admin can also delete and edit the customers. In farmers report, admin can view the registered farmers along with the action edit and delete. There is also a search option to find the particular farmer. Farmers product report contains all the products that has been produced by various farmers. product billing report contains all the products that has been purchased along with the bill details. Clicking on View Bill, admin can view the bill details. Produce purchase request. It contains all the requests from the customers to purchase various produces from the farmers. General settings. Admin can add the admins by mentioning admin name, login ID, password and confirm password. Here, the login ID must contain only the alphabets. Admin can view the various added admins under View Admin. They can also edit and delete the record. Admin can also change their password by mentioning old password. Admin can add the country by clicking on Add Country. That is by mentioning the country name and description. All the added countries can be viewed under View Country. It also has the option Edit and Delete. Admin can add the state by mentioning the country name followed by the state name and description. All the added states can be viewed in View State, which also has the action Edit and Delete. A search option is available to search for a particular state. Admin can add the cities by clicking on Add City. That is by selecting the country, state, then the city name and description. All the added cities can be viewed under View City, which also has the action Edit and Delete. Under Farmer Settings, admin can add the produce category, which can be fruits, spices, etc. That is by mentioning the category name, image and description. All the added produce categories can be viewed under View Produce category, and it also has the action Edit and Delete. Admin can add produce types, that is by mentioning the category, then the produce name, produce image and description. All the produce types added can be viewed under View Produce Type. It also has the action to edit or delete. In Add Produce Variety, admin can add the variety of produces by selecting category, produce type and then entering the variety name and description. They also have to add the variety image. All the added produce varieties can be viewed under View Produce Variety. Which also has the action Edit and Delete. In Worker panel, admin can view various workers who have registered in the portal along with the action Edit, Delete and Download Biodata. Admin can also view worker request, that is, which contains all the tasks that has been given by the farmers to the worker. It also has the action Delete and View. In Farmers Kit, admin can add selling product category, that is the products they want to sell. These products can be purchased by either farmers and also from the customers. That is by mentioning category name, image and description. All the added product categories can be viewed under View Selling Product category along with the action Edit and Delete. In Add Farmers Kit, admin can add the various products to sale by mentioning the category, product name, product description, images of the product, quantity type and cost of the product. The products available under Farmers Kit are the products which the customer as well as the farmer can purchase. All the Farmers Kit added can be viewed under View Farmers Kit. It also has the action to edit and delete them. The products to the Farmers Kit can only be added by the admin. Under Article Settings, admin can add the articles which can be blogs or news. That is by selecting the article type, publish date, title, description, and the images. This blogs and news helps the farmers to improve their farming. All the added articles can be viewed by the admin under View Article. It also has the action Edit and Delete. Okay, these article types, that is blogs and news, are available to view in blogs and view in home page. Once the admin logs out of the account, it is redirected to the home page. Now let us register as farmer. Farmers can register by mentioning farmer name, email ID, password, confirm password, address, city, state, country, PIN code, contact number, mobile number, and the farmers must also enter their bank details, that is bank name, branch name, IFSC code and account number. Once the farmer registers successfully, they can log in by entering email ID and password. As the farmer logs in, farmer dashboard is available, which includes the details of the farmer. In my accounts, farmer can update their profile under Update Profile. The password can also be changed. By mentioning old password, new password and confirm password. Under Produce panel, farmers can put their produces on sale by mentioning category, produce name, variety, title, images, quantity, type of quantity and description. All the produces added can be viewed under View Produce on Sale along with the action Edit and Delete. In Hire Details, farmer can view the workers they have hired. So under Hire, farmer can see various workers and they can also view them and send requests for them. That is by mentioning the date of work, from and till, task, that is what work the farmer expects from the worker, and the place of work by entering country, state and city, the payment amount and type of incentive, that is whether a salary or a wage. Now under Hire Details, farmer can view the workers hired by them along with the action Edit and View, and farmer can see the status, that is seller is a farmer, approved, and worker comment where status is empty. worker has not yet updated his status. Under Farmer panel, farmer can view the work calendar in which it displays on which date the farmer has fixed the work. Under Farmer's Kit, farmer can purchase the products which are required for the betterment of agriculture. On clicking confirm order, farmer can pay the payment details. The payment type can be either cash on delivery or card payment. Once the payment is complete, the bill can be viewed by the farmer, and the bill contains the billing detail and the delivery address. Under Farmer's Kit report, farmer can view various purchases that is done by them. Once the farmer logs out, the control is redirected to the home page. Now let us log in as worker. The workers can register by mentioning their name, email ID, password, confirm password, address, country, state, city, pin code, contact number, biodata, that is the resume, work profile. Here the worker must enter the work experiences, date of birth and expected salary. Worker can log in using email ID and password. As the worker logs in, worker panel is visible, which includes the worker details. Under My Profile, worker can update their profile. Worker can also change their password by mentioning old password, new password and confirm password. Under View Your Jobs, worker can view the jobs requests made by various farmers along with the action view. Before the worker can select the status as approved and update if he wishes to work. Under work schedule, worker can view the calendar in which all the works approved by the worker can be seen. Once the worker logs out, control is redirected to the home page. Let's log into Farmer. Under Farmer's work request calendar, we can see the approved status as the worker has approved to work. And under View Hired Workers, we can see the status as worker approved. Now let us see the customer login panel. Customer can register by entering customer name, email ID, password, confirm password, address, country, state, city, PIN code, contact number and mobile number and customer type. Here customer type can be wholesaler, retailer or consumer. Once the customer registers successfully, they can log in using email ID and password. As the customer logs in, dashboard is available which includes the customer details. Customers can buy products from farmers list. On clicking on add to cart, customers can see that the cart is updated, and they can also view the product and they can add the quantity. On clicking on confirm your order, a payment details is available in which the customer must make their payment. The payment type can be cash on delivery or card payment. Once the customer makes the billing, the bill receipt is available which includes the bill details. The customer can also print this. Under farmers purchase report, they can also view the bill details and all the purchases made by them. From farmers market, customer can buy the produces from the farmers. They can also search various locations and view the producers of those locations. To purchase the producers from the farmer, customer must send a purchase request by entering the purchase quantity. From view farm produce purchase request, customer can view all the purchase requests made by them. Farmer can view the purchase request under view purchase request, and they also has the action send purchase order, and we can see the status as pending. On clicking on send purchase order, farmer can view the purchase request and they can add the price for the produce they want to sell. Now let's log in back to customer. Now we can see that the status is active, which means the farmer has approved for the purchase. The customer can also update their profile. They can also change their password by mentioning old password, new password and the Once the customer logs out of the account, the control is redirected to the home page. This is all about the project Agribuzz. Thank you.